Hi, Larry Alterman here. And recently, when I was swimming at this swimming pool, I came across an interesting underwater optical illusion. And I decided to capture it with my iPhone 13 Pro, which is supposed to be waterproof. Can't promise it'll work for you, but it worked for me, no problem. And I decided to share this optical illusion with you. So let's get going. Okay, in this first video clip, I'm showing you the view as I'm swimming underwater, and I'm looking at the far wall as I'm approaching the wall. And I'm looking at where the wall touches, the swimming pool wall touches the swimming pool floor. And I'm trying to figure out what it looks like. And I'm having a hard time figuring out exactly what's going on. And this is very blurry because I want you to see what I was seeing with my naked eyes. And later on I'll show you a more clear picture. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is a 3D model of one of the two ways I thought the swimming pool might look. So in this model, you can see that the floor is slanting down, and then it drops, and then it's flat again. Right now, as you're looking now, you can't really tell what it looks like because of the angle. But if you go to the right angle, you can see that the floor slants down, then it drops straight down, and then it's flat again. Meanwhile, the back wall is totally flat. Okay, so here's the second 3D model that I built with a second interpretation of how the swimming pool could look. And in this model, you can see that the floor is different. The floor goes slanting down and then it's flat. Meanwhile, the back wall has a jog in it. The back wall is no longer flat. So again, in this interpretation, the floor slants down and then it's flat, as you can see right now. And then as I show you this angle of the picture, you can see that there's a jog on the back wall. The back wall is not flat like it was before. Okay, so here's the same clip again, and I made it slightly less blurry. Can you tell now what it looks like? Can you tell now? Are we looking at this? Or are we looking at this? Okay, here's the clip again. And now I took out all the blur filters so you see it exactly as the camera was seeing it with no blurring. So can you tell now? Are we looking at this or are we looking at this? Okay, now I'm going to show you the video to the very end. I'm not going to stop it in the middle like I did before. So I'm getting closer and closer to the wall. And as we get closer to the wall, you're getting a clearer and clearer picture. And now as I get very close to the wall, you can see what the wall finally looks like. So now it has been revealed that the swimming pool actually looks like this. But when I was swimming underwater, I interpreted it to look like this. And it wasn't until I could get very close to the wall that I could see what the swimming pool really looked like. So that's the end of my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm just curious if anybody else saw the two interpretations, or what they saw first, or whether they were like me and they saw the wrong interpretation. I'm curious to know any opinions that you have or any feedback that you can give. So please leave your comments. Thank you, and that's all for now. Larry Alterman signing off.